So you guys really seem to like the last Tundra. What about this one? So this is a 1794, and you're gonna notice because of all the chrome accents. So that's why we installed these chrome wheels to complement the look of the truck. So you're also gonna notice this one has beefier tires. Check out the side profile with the chrome. Now, on this one we kept the stock fenders, but do you think we should have put beefier fenders? Also, we put this metal plate holder. It just looks good. On this one, we used a Westcott design lift. And yes, your passenger princess can get in and out safely. And yes, this is a smoked mesquite color with the peanut butter interior. What do you think?